In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Joki discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, you have to go to your web browser and search for Joki discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes. For example, if you want to receive this one with up to 25% off your next order, simply tap on this promotion right here, and this is the promo code. You can select to copy the promo code from right here, and you can apply this one on your next order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, which also provides some promo codes, as you can see right here. So for example, if you want to get this one with 30% discount, all you need to do is simply tap right here to copy code, and this is the promo code. You can simply copy the promo code from right here and apply this one on your next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.